singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this tribal celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think, huh? And next, we have Nakawa.
Which is Swahili for good looking.
Well, hello, good looking.
And this is Kabibi.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally, we have Zawadi.
Which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
I said the gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, this gentleman thinks I'm the gift. Don't you, baby? What's your name? Mark. Well, I think that is Swahili for it's my lucky day.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be here any minute now. And we want to make them feel welcome when they get here, so we are going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom, and we are